Hi ladies and John Lennon. Today I'm gonna guide you through my install of a rear diffuser on my 2002 Mustang GT. Basically the reason why I'm doing this video is because I couldn't find these parts on LMR.com, American Muscle. For some reason, maybe people can see it as too ricer or something, but basically this is the part that I found on Amazon. So you can look for Mustang 99 to 04 rear diffuser, and you're gonna find this part. It's ABS plastic, very well done. The fit is really medium. It's gonna need some work to fit in on really the Mustang itself, but so I'm gonna show you basically how it's gonna look like with the fitment and everything. I had to drill some holes. The kit came with some screws, but basically I think that it's, since the rear diffuser is gonna be submitted to the elements, I thought it would be better to go with a set of nuts and screws tied with, blue Loctite, so it's gonna be way tighter. So basically, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the install because I couldn't find on YouTube anywhere good videos of rear diffuser install on the new Edge Mustang for some reason. Very strange. Maybe people will say it's too ricer. I would say it's, of course for the look, but if you think it's ricer and you don't like it, I don't give a flying fuck. That's my car. Things gonna look nice and neat. So basically I'm gonna show you how I've done it, because I haven't seen any video on the web and I've searched a lot. This part is only available on Amazon for $200 Canadian. Quite expensive, but I think it's really made of thick plastic. For now, I'm not gonna paint it. I'm gonna try to see if it works and if it resists to the element, as if it's really nice and shiny. So there's no reason for me to paint it for now, but since I've used a set of nuts and screws, I can basically just unbolt it and paint it if I want later on. So follow me and I'm gonna show you how it looks like underneath and the fitment and everything. The fitment is not perfect from what I see. There's gonna be some parts that are gonna be probably need to stretch with torch, to eat a little bit the plastic so that it bends a little bit into place. So follow me. So at this step, basically what I did is drill some holes. I have 8 holes in the bumper that matches the holes in the diffuser. So basically what I'm gonna do next is mount the diffuser with the bolts and nuts and see the fitment, but should be good. So there's a little gap here, but I can definitely live with it. So that's the end result. I don't think it's gonna be too low. I think it's gonna really hurt. I think it had a A lot more aggressiveness in the back. Really like how it looks. Hides a little bit also the fuel tank. The bumper is short, so sometimes from the back you can see the fuel tank. So here's the fitment. Pretty happy with the result. So that's pretty much it. Underneath, I will probably bring some zip tie, metal zip tie to here, even though I'm pretty confident, pretty strong, but technically the wind will come from here, from the fuel tank, and then slide here from underneath. But I'm gonna probably overkill, but put some zip tie from here to here somewhere. Here, zip tie. So there's a link also that this part behind is not like left alone, and it's still secured also, not just the front of this thing. So I'm gonna basically use these, and I'm gonna put them here inside and bolt them also inside and use some black metal zip tie to just zip tie this to the top here so that it's really fastened, securely fastened. So I'm gonna show you. So this is what it looks like with the metal tie wraps, just to secure. Maybe it's a little bit of overkill because the bolts on top here are already holding pretty tight, but I really wanted to. Here's on the fuel tank here, and this one here on the frame directly. So these are just metal tie wraps, just, and here drill the hole here with the black. It doesn't show, it doesn't appear from behind. So from here, you know, you don't see anything. So that's the conclusion of my install of a rear diffuser on a new Edge Mustang. If you find another video, share it with me, because I haven't seen any yet. So this is final end result. Pretty happy with the result. Let's see how it holds the elements: water, dust, road debris. But it's pretty sturdy plastic, so pretty confident. If not, I'm gonna just unbolt everything and sand it and paint it. So that's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching.